ubuyisa uVilakazi umfake kwi-right wing, because you have a right wing, a proper right wing, Mfundo Vilakazi. It's time uNabi trust Mfundo Vilakazi as a right wing. Thatha uMdu umdlalise ka-10. Trust uMdu, trust uVilakazi. Trust uMdu, trust uVilakazi. It's either kunumber 9 udlala uDe Silva or uLilebo. Ngalapha kwi-left wing put uSerino and they will interchange noMdu. That if uNabi is serious ngokukora ama-goal, because iKaizer Chiefs in 6 games has only scored 6 goals, which to me is very poor, because the Chiefs is a big team in the country. Ubuka ngokuthi kuphakathi